pajamas. Gosh, this is little. Okay, who's this from?
It's from all of us.
From all of us.
Yeah. Oh, cute! Roxy, go lay down. Go lay down.
You never have too much Disney stuff.
I don't even have any.
I
I
know.
didn't think you. I didn't think you did. Go lay
They're
down.
so pretty. I love them.
Roxy.
One day we're gonna go there. Oh, Roxy. Yes,
No,
you
Roxy's
let
not
it
gonna
go.
go. No, no. Roxy's not gonna go.
Hey, Roxy, you
Come on,
can
you.
have
Or
these.
if Roxy goes,
Come
you're
on.
not. Is that
Yeah.
no. So not gonna happen.
Mhm.
Gosh. Dude.
Someone went crazy at the Disneyland.
I see that. So who's this? This from you?
It's from all of us.
From all of us.
Oh, from all of us. Look, an ornament.
Isn't it pretty?
That's pretty.
Oh, look how beautiful it is.
I love that. That's beautiful. You should on the should have saw on the Christmas light fight. They had a whole Disney thing. He had been collecting Disney stuff for like 40 years, and it was all in his display. It was
Wow.
awesome.
Oh, I love this one. Oh, who's this from? Santa?
All of us.
All of us.
All of us again?
Mhm.
There we go.
You must have been good this year.
I must have been good.
Roxy. Cute.
Oh my gosh. Look how cute, Wayne.
It looks like
One day you will. We're gonna go
Yeah, look at the picture.
there. Bam. Really?
Really?
Read the card. Needs to be a red card in there somewhere.
Because you do so much for everyone else. You're so busy. Nikki. Oh my gosh. Oh, so bad.
We've been planning this all year, by the way.
Yeah.
kept it a secret somehow.
I know. Somehow
Yeah.
we kept it a secret. Even Daddy knew.
Yeah.
Although he forgot a couple of times.
Yeah. I kind of reminded me of
Oh my gosh, you can't wait till next year. Give me something to look forward to.
This time we may actually remember it because I barely remember it.
it. Yeah, me too. I remember I lost my purse and something. I think I was watching like Hunchback of Notre Dame or something.
Yeah, so fun.
Now you see the theme.
Yeah, it's easy.
All comes
I
together.
don't even have to buy a hat.
No.
Fine.
We already got you a hat.
Name on it.
Put my name on it. I won't have to buy a hat when I go.
Yeah, let Roxy out, please.
They have a Hooters by the Disney World, Daddy. We found one.
Oh.
Yep, and we're gonna stay in a suite in Disneyland.
What?
Mhm.
Oh yeah, we've already done.
We've already got everything.
Well, we can't book it this.
It's too early to book the plane
early.
tickets, but we got everything. Yeah, remember I haven't been sending you them bill checks because they've been going to Lindsay in a savings
In a
account.
savings account that we opened up in June.
Oh my God, y'all are too sneaky.
We try.
Oh, I love it when we went to New York, and then every time something, happens in New York, like, oh, we went there.
I do it every time.
And since we're going Thanksgiving, the Christmas decorations in Disney will be up by then.
They say that's the best time.